If your prop firm payout was rejected, this video will explain exactly what to do step by step in a calm and structured way, before you react emotionally, before you send angry emails, before you assume anything negative. Understand the process clearly, because how you respond in the first 24 hours, determines whether you protect your position or damage it further. This is not about panic, this is about structure. Step 1 is to secure all evidence immediately. Download your full trading history from the dashboard, export your complete account statement, take clear screenshots of your balance, close trades, open trades, and payout request section, save your payment receipt, archive every email conversation. Download the official rulebook you agreed to. In financial disputes, documentation is everything. If you do not control the evidence, you do not control the conversation. Step 2 is contacting support correctly. Most traders make mistakes here. They send emotional messages, they accuse, they threaten. Do not do that. Send one structured and professional email. Ask which specific rule was violated. Request the trade ID and timestamp. Ask them to show the calculation that led to payout rejection. You are not arguing, you are requesting clarification. That difference changes everything. Step 3 is reviewing the agreement yourself. Recheck daily drawdown limits, maximum loss rules, consistency requirements, scaling conditions, hidden clauses. Sometimes the violation is technical, not emotional. Understanding the rules clearly removes panic. Clarity brings control. Step 4 is understanding how bank disputes actually work. Only if you genuinely believe the service was misrepresented. Contact your bank calmly. When you open a dispute under service not delivered or misrepresentation, your bank registers the case and forwards it through the card network to the merchant's bank. The merchant must provide proof that the service was delivered and that you accepted the terms. The decision is based on documentation, not emotion. If your documentation shows a clear mismatch, the transaction may be reversed. If their documentation is stronger, the dispute may close against you. This is a formal review process. Proceed only if your case is factual and structured. If you believe there was misleading practice, you can check your country's Consumer Protection Authority or financial complaint system. Submit factual documentation only. Facts create credibility. Emotion weakens cases. You can also verify company domain registration details and business registration information. If advertisements appear misleading, report them through official advertising platforms. Remain professional throughout the process. Structure always wins over emotion. If your payout was rejected, do not react emotionally. Follow structure, collect documentation, communicate professionally. In financial disputes, clarity matters more than anger, and control is always more powerful than emotion. If you want more structured breakdowns on trading psychology and prop firm systems, subscribe. This channel focuses on clarity, structure, and informed decision-making.